Functions of language. Language perform different functions. So let's see what they are. So we use language for communicating different things. So basically we can categorize these things into three types: verbal, written, and non-verbal. Verbal, obviously, when we use sounds, when we use words, when we utter something. Obviously, we do utter a lot of sounds, but here we are specifically what make a language. So written, obviously, we use written form of the language to express or to communicate our ideas, our feelings, our thoughts, our need, and a lot of other things. And non-verbal communication, we make gesture, we make facial expression, we make different positions, right? So all these convey meanings. All these things, all these three aspects, three categories of communication are used to convey meanings. So verbal communication is the use of sound and words to express yourself, especially in contrast to using gestures. So in contrast to using written and non-verbal communication, when we use words, it means that we are using verbal communication. So in verbal communication, we use words, right? You use utterances. What do words do? That's the question. For example, words, we use words to convey meanings. For example, classroom, we have used the word classroom, right? What is the meaning of the word classroom, right? A place where students study. So here we use the word to convey meaning. Similarly, we use the word to convey emotions, right? For example, the word anger shows that the emotion of somebody or someone. The word weeping shows the emotions, right? Similarly, the word also shows action, right? Somebody is running, somebody is jumping, somebody is walking. So all these words express action. So word express meanings, words express emotions, words express action. So basically we communicate for so many reasons. So what is verbal communication? Verbal communication is the mode of communication in which we use words to express our feelings, to express our meanings, to express our emotion. The basic is to get our message across. We want what we feel, how we feel, right? When we feel, right? We express our feelings to the other people through verbal communication. So it's a very unique feature of human language. The sharing of information between individuals by using speech. So as I said, that basically the purpose of communication is the sharing of ideas. We share ideas with them. So it's very important that when we for communication, we do believe there need to be some sender, but there is a receiver is also very important. So we share with each other our emotion, feelings, etc. So this is the process of communication. Language also provides endless opportunities for fun because of its limitless, sometimes nonsensical and always changing nature. So language not only conveys words, meaning, actions, emotion, but it also is used for entertaining purpose, to create fun, because without fun, human language or human nature cannot fulfill itself or cannot fulfill its whole purpose. So we use language to express fun as well. So basic purpose of language, especially when we are in a public speaking, we are communicating with others, is to persuade, is to inform, and to entertain. So entertainment is a very, very important function of the language. So let's now look at what other functions language perform. So we can say that there are 5 functions that language performs. Obviously, some researchers have made a longer list. So language is expressive. It expresses our feelings. We'll come on to it. Language is very powerful. So it is the language which create effect on others who listen them and change them, or we can get the result that we want from other. So language is fun, as we just said. We can entertain each other. We use it for the fun purpose. Language is dynamic, and language is relational. So these are some of the functions of language that we will discuss.